Yesterday I had the amazing privilege of visiting Lamise and William and giving them a Dr. Dog. Please enjoy this video. I'm here with Lamise to give her first Dr. Dog in person. I'm so excited that she got Dr. Dog because she's helped me so much to get fundraising with the keg and everything. So what do you think about Dr. Dog receiving it today?
Oh, I think first it's so cute. It's like you.
Aw, thank you.
And I think he's going to help me out a lot.
Oh, thanks, Lamise. You're so special. Thank you. I'm here with William today to receive his Dr. Dog. And I also came to ask a little bit about hockey and your favorite players.
And I've done a little bit of research on all of them because they have the hockey cards. And they went all the way up to Winnipeg to see the Winnipeg Blue Bombers versus the BC Lions.
Wow, and do you have a favorite player?
Yeah, my favorite player is, well, it's actually a assistant head coach, but Winnipeg Blue Bomber. I went for the Winnipeg Blue Bombers head coach, assistant coach, because he had a heart attack in the front office of the Blue Bombers, and they were standing there right near him when the heart attack happened.
So, what do you think about Dr. Dog?
He looks cool with the hat.
Yeah?
And even without the hat, he looks cool.
Oh, awesome. Do you think, so do you think he might help you a little bit? Did he brighten your day today?
He did.
He did? Yay. I'm so happy. Well, I'm so glad you like Dr. Dog and you're willing to accept him because it's my dream to give Dr. Dog to children like you. So, thank you so much. Do you have anything to say to all the Dr. Dog supporters?
Well, Dr. Dog is neat. I like him, but I had surgery for the vertical and stuff, which is, and I also need to have another surgery.
Do you think, are you gonna could you take in Dr. Dog to your surgery, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, well, I'm glad.
It's October 12th. The next surgery.
Well, I hope Dr. Dog can be there and be some love medicine to help you through your next surgery. Okay. Well, thank you so much.